Today we're embarking on an unforgettable journey to the land of fire and ice, Iceland. Join us as we explore the diverse and breathtaking landscapes that make this country a must-visit destination. Our journey begins in the vibrant capital city of Reykjavik. Known for its colorful houses, bustling streets, and unique art scene, Reykjavik is the perfect blend of modern culture and Icelandic charm. Next up, we're heading to the Golden Circle, a route that takes you to some of Iceland's most iconic landmarks. From the powerful Gullfoss waterfall to the historic Thingvellir National Park, the Golden Circle is a treasure trove of natural wonders. No trip to Iceland is complete without a visit to the world-famous Blue Lagoon. This geothermal spa is surrounded by stunning lava fields, offering a unique and rejuvenating experience. Venturing further east, we arrive at Jokulsarlon Glacier Lagoon. Marvel at the breathtaking sight of floating icebergs against the backdrop of Vatnajökull, Europe's largest glacier. Heading south, we reach the picturesque village of Vik and the otherworldly Reynisfjara black sand beach. The dramatic basalt columns, towering sea stacks, and roaring waves make this a photographer's paradise. Our journey concludes in the charming town of Akureyri, nestled in the north. Besides its welcoming atmosphere, Akureyri is also an excellent spot to catch the mesmerizing northern lights during the winter months. And that wraps up our incredible journey through Iceland. From the bustling streets of Reykjavik to the serene beauty of Jokulsarlon, this country has something for every type of traveler.